Hello and welcome to the Advanced Screening tutorial. The Advanced Screener allows users to locate companies based on select criteria, whether canned in the I-Metrix solution or created by the user. In order to get to the Advanced Screener, first log into your I-Metrix professional account. Once on the website, you can click the Screener tab, and you'll notice that the icon says Switch to Advanced Screener. Click that, and that will take you to the Advanced Screening interface. To create a screen, we select items from the Data Item menu. So for instance, if we want to select a fundamental criteria, let's say revenue greater than $1 billion, we can click Income Statement, Revenue, and now we have each of the different elements that we can choose from, time periods, trailing 12 month, last fiscal year, last quarter, range values, so such as over the past 5 years, or quarters. I'm going to choose trailing 12 months. At the top, notice we have our operators. So if I choose greater than, we can use syntax such as 1B to represent 1 billion, or we can write down the aggregate inside there. 1M will also work for 1 million. When we want to add another criteria, we can either select the AND or operator. I'm going to choose AND to add in a market cap parameter. I will use this search criteria, write market, identify market cap, add that to the query. I'm select greater than 2 billion. Let's say that we want to add an industry qualifier as well. We can just type in AND, put a parenthesis, and then industry is equal to air couriers, and let's also select another industry, or airliners. We have to end our parenthesis right here, at which point we can run the query. We have 4 companies that make our result. Display the result, we get our list, at which point we can export to Excel for further analysis. We can save our query, give it a name. Our saved queries will be represented inside the open icon. You'll notice that we also have some canned screens that you can select, which will give you guidance on other methods that you can use for creating screening criteria. Let's attempt another screen. So I'm going to click the New, and it'll clear out our advanced screening interface. This time we're going to create some custom functions using the average icon as well as the growth icon. So let's say that we wanted to create an EBITDA margin greater than 50% over the past 5 years on average. We can select the average function, delete data item range here, and now we're going to create our ratio. So if I type in EBITDA over the trailing 12 months, actually, sorry, five-year range, divided by revenue over a 5-year range, go outside the parenthesis, is greater than 0.5 and we get 432 results. And we can display our results to get the list of companies. Note that if your criteria has over 500 results, you'll be prompted automatically to create an Excel spreadsheet. Let's add in another criteria to this screen, this time using the growth function. I'm going to type in and, click on the growth function, which is slightly different in terms of its syntax. Let's say that we're looking for revenue growth greater than 200% over the past 5 years. Click Data Item menu, type in revenue, and this time we choose how we want to search. Is it going to be a quarterly growth rate? Is it going to be a yearly growth rate? I'm going to choose a yearly growth rate, so for the last fiscal year. The number of years that I want is 5. Come outside the parenthesis, greater than 2 for 200%. Run the query. We have 81 matches now. We display the result and then export it to Excel for further analysis. This concludes the Advanced Screener Tips Guide. Please follow along for the Advanced Screener Syntax, which is the next module. Thank you.